Over the past 47 years, I have had the pleasure, opportunity, and indeed privilege to teach and work with over 5,000 students, including over 400 physics majors during my career here at Hamlin. I followed the footsteps of legends here in physics, Professors Kent Bracewell and Richard Pontinen. I relish the opportunity to communicate with you once again and to solicit your support for our crowdfunding campaign to reach our $50,000 goal for the Environmental Scanning Electron Microscope Endowed Fund. The proceeds from this fund will help to provide the $20,000 yearly maintenance cost for this spectacular instrument. The resolution is spectacular to 0.9 nanometers, which is approximately 9 times the diameter of the hydrogen atom. The environmental SEM is the state-of-the-art for doing undergraduate research for our students, not only in physics, but also across disciplines throughout our campus. But not only do our students benefit, we also reach out to high school students, high school teachers, and local industry so that all stakeholders can benefit from its use. Give today, no matter how much. The more contributors, the better. And drop by anytime to say hello and to allow us to give you a tour of our energy and environmental research facilities.